Hey VCN and anyone else who was able to find this video, thank you for checking it out. I wanted to do a couple of things in this video. First, I wanted to try out the live or go live feature that was recently added to Mighty Network, so I'm trying to do that on the VCN. And I also want to do a quick recap of last night's VCN Zoom meetup. So last night's meeting featured co-founder of AuthentiQ Marketing, Grant Taleck. He presented Don't Let Your Content Fizzle and Die. It's time to repurpose. My biggest takeaway from that meeting was this. Don't discount your knowledge and abilities. What's easy for you, what's obvious to you, may not be that way for your audience. I can tie this concept that Grant brought up last night to some recent presentations that I've put on. I've come back to including some of my best practices for looking good on camera in my presentations. I thought that at this point, most people were probably comfortable with their video setups because, we've been doing the whole Zoom meeting thing for a long time. And to me, a lot of what I cover is common knowledge. But folks in these presentations have found it incredibly helpful, and it's really moved the needle for them and helped them improve their video setup. So easy for me, but helpful to them. Do you have any easy topics that you can share with your audience? And if you attended last night's Zoom meetup, what were your takeaways?